When you create an array, each element in the array is initialized to a default value. This default value depends on the data type of an array. These are the default values for the data type. In case of numeric type, like integer, it's 0. And for reference type, like array or string data type, is null. Let me show you what is the default value assigned to each element of this array. To display all the values I'm using for each loop. That's the simplest way to iterate through every item in the array. Let me quickly explain it to you. Here, I have declared an int variable named value that is used for looping. Why I have used int type? Because our array is integer type and each item in the array is integer value. Each time the loop runs, an element from this array is assigned to this variable, where this statement simply prints out the number, which is the value of this variable. The default value of the numeric type is always 0. That's why all the elements in the array have been assigned a value of 0. 4 elements with 0 values. You can reference array elements using this array indexing syntax. This is very useful syntax. What you do is, you use index inside square brackets and then assign a value to it. With this syntax, the value is assigned to a single array element, one value at a time. Let's assign some values. Index of the first element is always 0. Now this part will reference the first element of an array. And once referenced, value 1 will be assigned to it using this part. Easy, right? Click run. You can see the output here. But wait, what is this 0, 0 after 1 and 2? You actually filled the array with the values 1 and 2, right? The indexes assigned to these values is 0 and 1. But the array length is 4. If you look at the image, indexes 2 and 3 have not been assigned any value and still contain the default value of 0. That's why you see 2 spots with 0 values. Okay, let's assign more values to the array. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4.